this is DC jack path, this is battery path. If it is faulty, motherboard work with battery but will not work with DC jack. This will not work with DC jack. You should check these two FETs. From DC jack, 14 to 18 volts voltage comes from to this IC, 5 volts and regular 5 volts and 3.3 volts regulator IC through two FETs. You should check these two FETs. If you have circuit, see the circuit and you should repair that one. See this circuit, this is adapter connection, this is positive pins 4 and 5 pins. This voltage comes from adapter to this U58 transistor pin number 1, 2, 3. This is input, this is output, pin number 5, 6, 7, 8. This is U58. You should check this FET is okay or not. Next, this voltage AD plus goes to from AD plus adapter plus to this voltage comes to U4 IC pin number 5, 6, 7, 8. This is U4. This is pin number 1, 2, 3, 4. This is gate pin number 5, 6, 7, 8. That voltage comes to this pins. You should check this U4 and U58. If circuit is not available, you should check this is DC jack, this is positive pins. This pins to any 8 pin FET pin number 1, 2, 3. From this connector to you should check this FET and this FET and this FET and this FET. No continuity. You should check another. You should check top side. This is bottom side. You should check top side.